There are several ways to make money. To earn money on the site, one strategy is to advertise your goods or services. You might decide to become an influencer, for example, in which case you would need to develop a following in a certain niche and market your goods or services to that audience. This is a fun way to interact with others who share your interests and gain new followers. To raise awareness of your company, you may use the app to observe trends and post photographs with audience-friendly suggestions and insights. You need to have at least 100 platform subscribers in order to receive a creator account. It's a good idea to increase your Snapchat following to at least a few thousand followers before you can anticipate making a significant revenue, because the majority of influencers are paid according to the amount of followers they have. Keep in mind that gaining loyal followers will enable people to see your activity. Making the app work for you then involves posting high-quality content to attract attention for your commercial endeavors. The best ways to make money on Snapchat are listed below. It's important to remember that earning money on the site isn't always simple, even when it is attainable. Best ways to make money on Snapchat. 1. Affiliate marketing. You can build a passive revenue stream on the platform by promoting affiliate products. You can join one of the several affiliate networks relevant to your niche, such as Amazon Associates, if you have followers on your Snapchat account. Find things that your audience will adore, and by suggesting them to your followers, you can earn money. Writing reviews will help your affiliate marketing approach. For instance, you can tell your followers all about a product if you have personally used it and enjoyed it. Include an affiliate link to the product in your review and highlight the advantages of utilizing it. Sell your own products or services. The majority of Snapchat users tend to utilize the platform to make impulsive purchases. Additionally, a third of consumers post images of the goods they plan to buy, providing marketers even greater exposure and a bigger audience. It follows that you have excellent prospects to sell your own goods on the platform. Your own products, whether digital or tangible, can be created and sold through the app. Earn with sponsored content. This strategy, which is somewhat akin to affiliate marketing, is promoting the goods or services of companies you like. Numerous businesses are always looking for social media influencers that can aid them in capturing the interest of their target audience. The chance to collaborate with brands frequently arises after you've amassed a sizable and engaged following. In return for promoting their goods or services to your fanbase, brands will offer to pay you in cash or with merchandise. Just be sure to promote only goods and services that you firmly believe in. You may make thousands of dollars on a single post by promoting major businesses, and you also get to give your audience fantastic product recommendations that you genuinely like and/or use. Send traffic to your site. It's a good idea to try and get people to give you their email addresses in case you can't convince them to buy your product right away. This way, you can add them to your subscriber list and begin nurturing them. You'll eventually get another chance to turn them into paying clients. You can send users from Snapchat to a landing page on your website that was created particularly to collect their information in exchange for something worthwhile, like a discount or access to premium content. Pick any lead magnet that appeals to your audience and offers tremendous value. By doing so, you'll be able to boost your conversion rates and add as many website visitors as you can to your email list. Get featured on Snapchat Spotlight. Even though it's the last on the list, this is a fantastic way to monetize Snapchat. Snapchat chose to introduce a new feature, Snapchat Spotlight, which functions similarly to TikTok or Instagram Reels, after understanding the platform's rising popularity. Users can post brief, interesting films, and those that go viral may be seen by many users on the platform, not just their followers or those who are looking at a certain location on SnapMap. In addition to receiving more exposure, producers have the chance to win a portion of the daily $1 million prize pool offered by Snapchat. Because it gives both of them an equal chance to have their videos go viral and earn money from a single video, this feature is ideal for both influencers and upcoming artists. To get started with Snapchat Spotlight, follow these steps. Develop the snap. Choose Spotlight from the Send to menu at the top of the page. Tap the arrow to send your picture. Uploading your material to Spotlight is that simple. However, you must make sure that your content complies with the following fundamental rules. The snap must be a vertical, sound-equipped video that lasts up to 60 seconds. Every video must have a subject. This is basically a hashtag. Videos must be suitable for viewers aged 13 and up. Snaps cannot be advertised or sponsored. The following photos are prohibited: gambling, smoking, using illegal drugs, carrying a firearm, and drinking too much or too young. One of the top earners on Snapchat Spotlight, Sarah Callahan, also known as Sarati, provides the following advice for succeeding there. Post often and resize your films for the screen. Use Spotlight sounds. Avoid following the crowd and make an impression by standing out. Make your video's opening seconds as captivating as you can. To draw viewers' attention, add a sticker or some text to your video.